Good morning, Brandon Hardison with Champion Strategies, also sitting in for Shopsmart Autos, giving you, the consumers, some of the best ideas of what to look for your next buying experience. So let's get right to it. We want you to think of summertime Christmas. Christmas will be here, but with all this oppressive heat, let's think of something cool. But here's where I'm going when it comes to you having the best information you need. So during Christmas, we always talk about checking things twice. That's what Santa is supposed to be doing. So I'm asking you, you better check your dealership customer experience twice. In other words, how to make sure you're not on the naughty list. So it's mid-July, and let's look at some of the cold Christmas seasons because we're going through these hot days across the nation right now. But winter will be approaching, and mornings will feel a little chillier, if not a lot. Holiday music will be in the air, and pumpkin spice gives way to nothing, actually. Everything still seems to be pumpkin spice everywhere, if you love that flavor. But here's where I want you to go. As visions of these sugar plums begin to dance in your head, you might start to wonder, did I make the nice list this year? Well, we can't claim to know that all Santa's criteria for avoiding stocking filled coal and all of the negatives that will happen. But when it comes to the naughty list, when your dealership is concerned, that's what I would like to talk about. Dealerships that have poorly timed customer contact or the wrong message. These days, you as customers expect to be smart enough and not annoyed with messages that have special hot deals on the vehicles that maybe you were considering a month ago. While it may be well intentioned, but that particular dealership or dealer group weren't tuned in all the way. Fortunately for you, with your insight, you had a chance to avoid this because you're a person that's always out there. You're looking at the data, doing your research like good consumers should do. So this way you can control most of your customer experience at your dealership. So what may cause this for some dealerships? The biggest thing is lack of processes. There's not processes or people held accountable for those processes being in place. And that is very annoying when it comes to consumers having to wait for things that you shouldn't have to, like that second key fob or the floor mats that were supposed to be in the vehicle, or something similar in service or in parts. Something just did not go right because the dealership you're operating with doesn't have good processes. Putting the right processes in place will make things a lot easier and effortless, not only for the staff, but for the accountability piece, and also to you, the end user, the consumer, to making sure that your experience is going to be a lot more enjoyable. Missing opportunities to turn our service customers from a bad day to a good day, dealerships need to work on, because every day we have new customers that are in the service drive who may be having a tough time trying to find out where they need to be spending their time. And we could offer them that if we were prepared for it. Are we doing the walkarounds on the drive? Are we looking at their previous history? Because why put bad money into new technology that hasn't been working for them when we possibly could take something from the back service to the front, and maybe we can come up with a different solution that fits their particular need. You might as well change your name to Ebenezer, and a whole lot of sales and service departments do at this time because they do not take care of your needs, past, present, or future. So, summertime, Christmas, happy holidays will be here, but just wanted to give you a heads up what we need to start thinking about now. If you're not purchasing now and want to wait until the end, start doing your research on those dealerships that do have processes in place, do hold people accountable. Always do your research, go on their website. You can find out some things that are there, and you can be ahead of this curve year in and year out. Once again, Brandon Hardison for Shopsmart Autos. Just wanted to give you some consumer tips for July 20. Hope everybody has a tremendous day. And as always, in parting, you go out and make it a champion.